Sa get-go, pinild agad ni Coach Aldrin Morante itong kanyang new player. Pero bago pa ba?
His career from his time at Cebu, playing in the PBL, and then going into the PBA, playing for various teams. But, Coach, we were talking about...
Will work for them.
They're coming off their very first loss of the season against the Manila Batang Sampaloc. That's good para kay Dennis Sant against Zamboanga. That was a tight one on opening day, 82-76. Then won their first victory of the season on their home floor. And for Valenzuela, they have no intention of missing out on the playoffs this year.
And you know, with the addition of J.R. Quinyan in the lineup, parang mas lalo na yatang
We're witnessing a lot of close games. In fact, I'm gonna try to ask our stats chief, Jao Magno, later on, kung ano ang Quinyahan from the outside, swishes it through. Welcome to the MPBL, Mr. J.R. Quinyahan. That's short. Bringas sees Pagyo. Dante Pagyo will go all the way for 2 plus the foul.
That's a foul on J.R. Quinyahan.
With the rock, working two-man game with Jamil Gabawan.
Good pass.
Big-to-big action. Akuno to Gabawan. First 2 points minus. Mitchell stopped in his tracks by the Valenzuela defense. Sazon from the outside. He will not be denied. In the MPBL, 23 points in that game against Manila. Payawal, hook shot is good.
Mas nakakapag-isip at mas loose na siya maglaro eh.
Minus somehow, some way gets that water in June. And a lot of the other teams also stacking up in terms of their front line. Mitchell minus, that's a guy coming from Pampanga. He scores there.
That's the support, Javi. You know, kasi si Kong Eric kasi, he was there. He was at helm. So he was able to see yung kung ano yung
this season, Congressman Eric Martinez, I'm sure he is already pleased with the opportunity that he gave the players from Valenzuela.
These guys, they're representing yung kanilang community. So, you know, you don't want to be, and you don't, katulad ni Ives na will not think twice na if he's open, he's gonna take it, which gives these guys opportunity to shoot.
Batang Sampaloc really using a big third quarter to be able to secure that victory in their favor as J.R. Quinyahan came.
Kind of love like that play designed by the Valenzuela Classic as the screener action.
No play needed on the other side as Robbie Darang fakes out everybody from the Valenzuela defense. And on the flip side, Nem de la Cruz adds.
And again, he knows his role already. He was able to establish what kind of game he wanted here in the MPBL. So,
for the risers as well as Jeff Santos and RV Bringas.
This is a fresh new 5 again for the risers.
Actually, yeah, that's correct. Even Alec Ramos
sa pasarel eh.
De Chavez has not yet been able to connect from the outside until now. 7 from the outside itong Bataan, while Valenzuela is now up to 4 3-point shots out of 12 attempts. Ron Lastimosa didn't take long. Use the Machon screen. Well, eventually does. Armenion from the elbow. The bounce. That's 2 points for Andre Armenion.
Yeah, soft touch there by Andre.
Castro goes inside. Dipsy-do is good, plus the foul.
Kasi again, numbers don't lie. Talagang like this guy.
Dennis Santos has really razzled and dazzled on the floor. Bringas, matagal na natin nakikita yan. Drop step and the finish at the post. On MPTV channel 98 on Signal, satellite channel 53 on the Pilipinas Live app, Facebook and YouTube. RV Bringas, back-to-back hits right there for Bataan.
Also,
few feet away from 3, missing from the outside. Offensive rebound for Alec Ramos. Santos, the stretch and score.
Yeah. Si Alex Ramos na lang ang hindi nakakascore.
But Dennis Santos has been scoring a lot here in the first half. Cristorado doesn't use the Bringas screen. Steal completed by Jer Quinyan. Santos is off to the races for 2.
Parang si JR, sanay na maglaro sa style natin dito eh.
Ryan Trazona, who has not seen action this whole year. Orchestrating here for Valenzuela. He stripped. Minus picks it up. Baguio once again in the open floor. Basket and 1 for Dante Baguio.
Trasano eh, ay yung hustle niya eh.
And here he is once again. 3-point play opportunity for Ryan Trazona. A little bit too strong. Offensive rebound for CJ. Trazona, that slow stroke for 3. That's his second of the game. Santos, the spin. Almost stripped by Gabawan. Trazona, can this be number 3? Yes, sir! 3 points once again for Ryan Trazona.
Trazona eh.
Yun na nga eh.
Hindi katulad niya, no?
A really conventional stroke, but Dante Baguio makes good on the pull.
Baguio style of game.
Quinyahan gets it to Santos. Pass a little bit behind, but Santos still able to find a way.
Offense of Valenzuela, gusto nilang ituloy yung magandang depensa nila sa loob. Lastly, just like what you guys noticed, mabilis nga ang palitan ng players dito sa Bataan. They do this to know who are the ones who will best match with each other at to know who will step up in this game. Equal opportunity nga para sa Risers. Javi and Coach Louie.
Thank you so much.
Is it large, maybe the biggest in a quarter sa ating season right now?
Let's check that. Orin Katakutan, though, was not checked by the defense. Andrea was mentioning earlier how Valenzuela was actually playing slow in the first half. That's not the case anymore here in the second half. But James Castro, that looked like it had a good line, but that one was short. Darang all the way to the cup for 2. To the left side, De La Cruz from corner, no good. This is gonna be an easy basket for James Castro. Time for Valenzuela, 14 seconds left. Katakutan would like to go in, and he does. The spin and the finish for Orin Katakutan. 67. Katakutan now on the break. Katakutan will score. Pero kitang-kita naman sa replay na talagang gumalaw yung katawan nila.
Oo.
Santos, look out! There is Santos! 2 hands for safety! Ultimate frame. Look at this again. It deserves to be seen. Not once, not twice, maybe even 3 times. Dennis Santos. On to Jamil Gabawan. Steal from behind by Katakutan. He has Santos on the right, De La Cruz on the left. De La Cruz will score.
So, pag bumawi, pinapabayaan na lang ng refs natin yan.
Baguio has been stellar all ball game long for Bataan and continues to.
And you know, yung offense ng Risers is getting nowhere. Alam mo yun, nakaka-shoot sila dahil sa nakaka-stop sila. Pero if you talk about
for Valenzuela,
again, malaking bagay yung impact kasing ibibigay mo eh.
Orin Katakutan, the up and under, 2 points more.
Playing, sabi niya, he wasn't like this back then. He used to make a lot of bad and hasty decisions too. Pero yan daw siguro ang lamang ng experience. You grow, you mature, you...
Lead down to just 9 here for Valenzuela. And then is Santos on the other side with 2 more hands.
So both teams are in the 40s. So mataas yan.
A lot of contact on that layup attempt by Trazona, but no foul was called on the other side. Gabawan trying to go backdoor to Mitchell. Minus able to get the reverse.
Hello.
A steal by Bataan. Octubre in trouble though. Santos comes up with it. Then is Santos, one fake and the basket right there. Costly right there para sa Bataan. Baguio will try to answer. 3-pointer down the drain for Dante Baguio. But unable to sink a free throw. Right there was Orin Katakutan. Dante Baguio. The basket will count plus the foul. 89-84. This game practically in the bag para sa Valenzuela. But Rafi Octubre wanting to say something about it. Seals the deal. That's gonna be it. Valenzuela bouncing back from a tough loss against the Quezon Huskers.